1. Source: trusted computer support for businesses. Microsoft expanding fight against macros-based malware. Macros have been a simple, effective means of spreading malware. Some hackers still rely on them heavily to ensnare and infect unsuspecting users. Office 365, aimed squarely at delivering a knockout blow to macro-based malware. That was effective as far as it went, but it had the unforeseen effect of pushing hackers away from using VBS and toward XLM. The new integration paradigm sees AMSI scanning Excel 4.0 XLM macros at runtime, which should, emphasis on should, make it virtually impossible for hackers to exploit them. As a representative from Microsoft security teams explains, while more rudimentary than VBA, XLM is powerful enough to provide interoperability with the operating system, and many organizations and users continue to use its functionality for legitimate purposes. Cybercriminals know this, and they have been abusing XLM macros, increasingly more frequently, to call Win32 APIs and run shell commands. Time will tell how effective this new approach will be. Unfortunately, even if it is wildly successful, it will simply push hackers towards some other easy exploit. To get the more latest updates, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon also so that you can never miss any update from us.